Hello, this is meteorologist Steve Nelson with the National Weather Service with your weekly weather briefing, valid January 23rd through the 30th. Here are the main points we're going to cover. We're going to review the January 21st winter storm, find out it was one of the most impactful storms we've had in quite a while. Cold conditions continue through Saturday, and we're going to have some lingering patchy black ice, especially in those shady areas and in mountain areas, especially overnight in the mornings. Light rain is expected Sunday night and Monday, and other than that, we're not expecting any storms or winter weather or other hazardous weather through the next 7 days. Here's the threat outlook for the next 7 days, only showing very small threats for isolated patchy black ice, getting progressively better as we head towards Saturday and more isolated. Those shady areas, because of the cold temperatures, are going to take a while, a little longer to thaw. We have some clouds today. We're going to have clouds again, maybe late Saturday. Friday should be a sunny day, so we'll hopefully get some good melting then. Other than that, no threats really expected, other than just a little bit of rain on Sunday night and Monday. So here are the snow amounts on the map on the left. Very impressive totals. Over 6 inches in quite a bit of southwest Georgia, the winter Cordele. Congratulations, guys, 9 inches. Definitely overperformed there. But as we said all week, it didn't take much snow to cause big impacts. We saw that in the Atlanta area, at Athens, other areas along I-85 up to the South Carolina border. It doesn't take much snow with temperatures in the lower and mid 20s to get impacts, certainly. Many daily records were broken, monthly and all-time records, not exactly, but close. In Macon, we received 5 inches officially there at the airport and the observing, and according to that, that was the fifth highest all-time ever. And Columbus was the seventh highest ever. There's a record in 1973 that's probably not going to be broken for some time. You can look that up. February 1973, over a foot of snow in Macon and almost a foot of snow in Columbus in that event. Record snowfall did occur in the Gulf Coast. New Orleans and Pensacola broke all-time records there. Really amazing snowstorm. Wanted to give a shout out to all our partners and professionals who worked so hard preparing for this storm to keep everyone safe. We know things happen and people we can't control while they make decisions to go to work and pressures they have. But from everything we can see, we had timely forecasts, timely alerts, very proactive responses by our partners, especially the transportation departments. Real-time reports were coming in from all of y'all in chat. We got a lot of reports, really solid reports, very shortly after as the snow was falling and in the next day. Those are so helpful, not just to document what happened, but for us to improve our forecasts and warnings. So thank you so much to all of you for everything you did. All right, well, here's the satellite loop. You can see the high clouds streaming over. No precipitation going on today, thankfully. Those areas of white in middle Georgia where you kind of look in the breaks in the clouds, that is snow still on the ground in south and middle Georgia. Probably going to be there at least one more day in those areas where they got 6 inches or more. Hopefully this will slowly start to melt. We're going to have warm temperatures tomorrow, sunny skies, and increasing clouds, I guess, not till Sunday and Sunday night. And Monday, we're going to get a little bit of rain. That'll definitely melt everything that's left by then. Nice weather expected the rest of the week. Can't complain. Just some weather maps to show you kind of the timing for Sunday morning and Monday morning. All it's going to be to the west on Sunday. It looks like it's going to be Sunday night, probably closer to after 9 o'clock, and it should affect most areas. We're not expecting any amounts over a quarter of an inch at this time. Here's the rest of the forecast for the next 7 days after that light rain event. Another little weak storm system over in Texas Wednesday and Thursday. We're still watching it. Everything right now shows this is going to be all rain for that Thursday, Friday event, potentially 7, 8, 9 days out. We'll keep watching it, but so far that track looks like it should stay all rain. For the following week, 8 to 14 days, looking at above normal temperatures and probably above normal rainfall as well. There are some indications starting at the end of January and the first week of February. We could have some heavy rain. It's too soon to say exactly if that'll be in Georgia or to our west, but the Climate Prediction Center has indicated there's some ingredients coming together in the computer data that shows we could see some heavy rain in the Mid-South on week 2. So that's all I've got for you. To recap, we reviewed the January 21st winter storm. Definitely one for the record books. It was pretty impactful. We appreciate everyone's support and information and teamwork on that to keep people safe. We're going to have cold conditions continuing through Saturday, patchy black ice, especially in the mornings and overnight. those south-facing slopes and tree, areas with lots of shade and trees are going to take a little bit more time to thaw. Definitely by the time we get to Sunday and Monday, we get that rain and above freezing temperatures in the morning hours and overnight. That's when it's going to be all gone. So shouldn't be any snow left or any issues once we get the rain in here Sunday night and Monday. And that's it. No storms, winter weather, or other hazardous weather expected. Feel free to reach out to us at any time if you have any questions or support needs. Have a great week.